Hey guys, welcome to ScIQ. I've just been watching the Democratic Town Hall and I wanted to talk about the number one most important issue in this election, which I think is healthcare, and 3 questions that we got on Twitter. Number 1, if the US is paying more for healthcare, why isn't the US healthier than every other developed nation? Good question. The US pays more for healthcare for 2 reasons. 1, profiteering by drug companies and medical companies, and 2, because people have to pay retail. Individuals pay for their healthcare rather than the government buying in bulk. So because the cost of healthcare is so high, not everyone can afford good healthcare, and that means that Americans are less healthy. Number 2 was, if we have free healthcare, we have to pay more taxes. Isn't that bad? Well, not necessarily. I'm usually a libertarian, which means I prefer small government. But when it comes to healthcare, we don't have a choice. We, when we're sick, have to pay for healthcare. And a lot of the time we have to pay whatever the hospital or clinic wants to charge us, which means we don't have a choice. Now, the basis of small government and a free society is choices, but when it comes to healthcare, we really don't get to choose. So if the government is paying for healthcare, it will actually mean that the people will have more choices and more economic freedom. The third question was, if we have to pay more taxes, doesn't that mean that I will have to pay more as an individual? Isn't that mean that there will be less money in my pockets? Well, again, that's not exactly true. When people pay more in taxes, they also get free healthcare. So you pay more in tax, but less for the cost of healthcare or health insurance. And because the government is now paying for your healthcare instead of an individual, they get more bargaining power. So the overall cost of healthcare to everyone should go down. That means the amount that you're going to pay more in taxes will be less than the amount that you're going to save for not paying for your own healthcare. So for the vast majority of people, when we switch to a single pay universal healthcare system for everyone, you'll be better off. Thanks for watching the Democratic debate. Let us know in the comments below what were your favorite questions and who you think did the best.